What is research? The systematic investigation into and a study of materials and sources in order to establish facts and reach new conclusions. Research is a systematic inquiry that investigates hypotheses, suggests new interpretations of data or text, and possesses new questions for future research to explore. First time used this word in 1577 by a French scientist as Richier. Second, research consists of asking a question that nobody asked before. Doing the necessary work to find the answer. Communicating the knowledge acquired to a larger audience. Next slide. Major types of empirical research design. Qualitative research, quantitative research. Qualitative research, understanding of human behavior and the reasons that govern such behavior. Asking a broad question and collecting data in the form of words, image, video, etc. that is analyzed and searching for themes. Quantitative research, systematic empirical investigation of quantitative properties and phenomena and their relationships. Asking a narrow question and collecting numerical data to analyze utilizing statistical methods. The quantitative research designs are experimental, correlational, and research paper. Next slide. Research paper. A research paper meets the needs of the assignment. Make sure you fully understand the scope of the assignment. Keep the needs of the assignment in mind as you work on your paper. Constantly refer to the instructor's guidelines to keep your research on research paper. A research paper has a clear focus. The more narrow you make your subject, the easier your paper will be to write. It is better to write about one character in a novel or a play than attempt to comment on an entire work. It is easier to focus on one treatment for a single. A research paper has a clear thesis. A research paper must express a point of view, not simply report on the ideas of others. The focus of the paper is not the views of others but your opinions and interpretations. A research paper comments on the quantity and quality of sources. A research paper does not simply summarize and present the ideas of others. A good research paper distinguishes between reliable and biased sources. Between a research paper starts with review paper. Research paper in multidisciplines. National Journal of Multidisciplinary Research and Development, www.nationaljournals.com. International Journal of Innovative Research and Advanced Studies, www.ijiras.com. International Journal of Multidisciplinary Research and Information, www.journalismri.com. Asian Journal of Multidisciplinary Studies, www.ajms.co.in. International Journals of Multidisciplinary Research Academy, www.ijmra.us. Let's access International Journal of Multidisciplinary Research, www.ijmra.us. What is research paper? Let's a formal written report that includes research findings and a student's own ideas. Research papers are all about organizing your ideas in a linear, understandable format. A research paper is a report summarizing the answers to the research questions you generated from the sources you gathered information from, then presenting the work in research paper format. Choose a topic. Let's choose a topic which interests and challenges you. Your attitude towards the topic material determine the amount of effort and enthusiasm you put into your research. Focus on a limited aspect, narrow it down. Let's obtain teacher approval for your topic before embarking on full-scale research. Let's select a subject and avoid subjects that are too technical, learned, or specialized. Avoid topics that have only a very narrow range of source materials. Find information. Let's surf the net. Pay attention to domain name extensions .edu, .gov, .org as these tend to be more reliable. Be selective of .com sites. Learn how to evaluate sites critically and to search effectively on the internet. Let's check out print materials at the library. Alumnus, atlases, encyclopedias, guides, reports, government publications. Read and evaluate. Let's bookmark, print out, photocopy and take notes of relevant information. As you gather your resources, jot down full bibliographical information on worksheet, print out or enter the information on your computer. Remember that an article without bibliographical information is useless since you cannot cite its source. Organize your notes. Organize, analyze, synthesize, sort and digest the information gathered to effectively communicate your thoughts, ideas, insights and research finding to others. This is the most important stage in writing a research paper. Let's include only relevant and understandable information. Make sure you have used your own words and has been carefully noted. Document all ideas borrowed or quotes used to avoid plagiarism. Jot down detailed bibliographical information and it ready for your works cited phase. How to write. First abstract, second introduction, third literature survey, clearly indicating the references, fourth theory and formulae used if any, 5 assumptions if any, 6 findings, 7 sample calculations if any, 8 graphs tables, 9 results. Sample of reference literature. References first dnz.zheng.c.l, simulation and optimization of refrigeration and air conditioning appliances, science fresh benzene .2001 full stop. Second dean .z.l, zheng c.l, intelligent simulation of refrigeration and air conditioning appliances, science press benzene 2002. Thanks a lot. Write papers regularly. Keep in touch with the world growing very fast. Feel confident and ahead.